Hiya and welcome to itsycrafty and my unboxing of the latest Planners Anonymous subscription kit. Loving it! This kit is called the Milk Bar and look at that goodness in there. This is the standard monthly subscription kit along with these double-sided papers, and I also have the add-on sticky kit and the add-on, I love it, and the add-on paper pack. I'll just take everything out of the plastic to avoid the glare, and then we'll look at everything in detail. This is everything that comes in the standard subscription kit, so let's start by looking at the double-sided papers. I like to look at the papers first just to get an idea of what the kit's about and the colours of the kit. So first off, I see ice cream. I see a lot of ice cream. Ice cream with this really fun sprinkles background. More ice cream than I could eat. It really is. And on the reverse of the ice cream paper, we have a chocolate brown watercolour. So we have two of these. This is cool. And then a really retro menu, like a diner menu. I'm loving that. Just the soft colours in it, the colour palette, the artwork, it's really good. And I can also see the Planners Anonymous names in here. So we've got Sammy's Coffee Spot and Michael's Music Box, Lachlan's Fantabulous Fries and Indy's Ice Creamery. And not to forget the artists, we've got Holly's Hot Dogs and we've got Izzy's House of Pie. So really liking that. Loving the prices, 75 cents for a steak sandwich. That's a good price. And then on the reverse of that, we've got this yellow watercolour. So we have two of those. And then this page just has lots and lots of icons from a milk bar or a diner. So we've got pie and ice cream, we've got some carnations, we've got hot dogs, we've got a menu pad, just all sorts of goodies there. And oh, I love that. And on the reverse of that, we have this watercolour. So we have two of those. And then the vellum is the ice cream print. So the vellum, of course, is a thinner piece of paper and it's a semi-translucent paper. So fun to do lots of different things with. And then we've got the acetate, which is a clear acetate with this foiled music print on it. Sorry about the glare. I always struggle with the acetate and my lighting. But we can see we've got music notes and LPs and so on the acetate. And you can of course fold that if you want to just make it a cover for a traveller's notebook or something. And it's also fun to layer with or do lots of other crafty things with. These are the papers for the kit and the colour palette and the artwork. So I just know I'm going to love this kit and my mind's already popping with a few ideas of what to do with it. And these are all of the other items in the kit. We'll have a look at the washi near the end. A nice stack of washi. And the first thing I'm going to look at is the menu card for the kit. So this says, word is there's a new place in town and it's the Bee's Knees. Let's hang at the milk bar and have a blast. Sandy. So just loving the colours of this. And on the reverse of this, there's a list of everything that's included in the kit this month. And also a reminder that there are also digital printables included in the subscription. So this is Sandy. And the pen, I have to look at the pen. I can't resist any longer. Love the pen. There's sort of a glitter in the barrel again. And this really gorgeous colour. It's a silver hardware, everything's silver. We've got Planners Anonymous etched along here. And then these are the colours. All those yummy ice cream colours. So gorgeous pen. On the top of the pile I have the quote cards, so let's have a look at those. We've got Be the Cherry on top. Shake things up. Life is sweet. You want a piece of me? Oh, of course that had to be here. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. Had to have that. Ice cream solves everything. And then the backing card, the milk bar. So these are the 6 quote cards for the month, and they're nice and simplistic, just with the watercolour background. Easy to stand out on the patterned paper, and it makes it really, really easy to embellish things. Next, I'm going to rush right into the mystery item for the month. This is different for everybody. Well, it isn't different for everybody. There's a notepad and 3 cards, and the 3 cards are selected from 6 different cards, and there are 2 different notepads. My notepad is Be the Cherry on Top, and in here we've got Say Hello to the Milk Bar Gang, and then there's a nice little faint grid on here with the ice cream. Oh look, they changed. Different sundaes. Cute. Looks like they just alternate, so we've got 2 different ones on there. That is cute though, and quite a lot of pages. So a cute little notepad, and then some cards which are a little bit thicker, and we've got Life is Sweet, and it's got the milk bar on the reverse, Be the Cherry on top, and I've got the milk bar with the gang. Cute! And this is the stamp set for Milk Bar. So in addition to a gorgeous girl Sandy, we also have all sorts of components here to make up different ice creams and giant ice creams. In addition, a few music notes, which will be great for music lessons in my planner. But loving the ice creams, they'll be fun to make lots of different crafty things with. So a little bit of a different stamp set, because its main focus is playing around with the ice creams and having fun with those. So I'm keen to see what people do with these, so please tag me in your use of them, because I'm really intrigued to see all the different ice cream goodness that we can come up with. Next, there's the 5x7" art card, and this is a thicker type of card. And we've got Life is Better with Sprinkles, because of course it is, with the gorgeous sprinkle background, and that's just its usual white on the background. Loving that. And then all of our die cuts, and I'm guessing lots of ice cream, but let's see. So we have a little cherry. Okay, I couldn't eat that. That's way big. I do like it when we get some large die cuts. They make nice feature for different things. And a good old jukebox. Some cones. Of course, we've got a basket with hot dog and fries. And various LPs, single cherry. Here we've got scoops, so we can build our own ice creams with the different cones. A scoop with chocolate on the top. There's Sandy. Another scoop of ice cream. Love this. I'm really enjoying the addition of these in the kit. And more ice cream scoops. Okay, who's going to eat this one? That one definitely needs a cherry on top. There we go. Some nice retro glasses there. Oh my goodness, there's another scoop. How many scoops does Sammy have on her ice cream? Let's pop that one on there. And then we have a pie and another sundae. These are all the die cuts for the kit, and we've definitely got a bit of an ice cream theme going on here. It's really making me want an ice cream. Anyway, let's have a look now at the stickers for the kit. We have 4 pages as per usual. So really fun deco items here. And more different decorative items. Gorgeous artwork. I hope you can see that there. Then we have a functional page with our little round date dots, a week of headers, the folding melody sticker, and this super cute functional page where there's some really fun little functional items there. The sticky notes, different splashes, different checklists, some headers. We've got our milk bar sticker, and we have a sticker for the next kit, which is poolside. So if you'd like to sub to the next kit, which is poolside, go along to plannersandanon.com and you can use my code itsycrafty to save 10% off your first month subscription if you'd like to. But now I need to look at this washi. Let's roll this out. These are the milk bar washes. The 5mm is a sprinkle. And then the 15mm, we've got a caramel and chocolate dripping. And then this wider washi has a whole bunch of retro ads in it. And we have foiling, silver foiling on all 3 washi. I've just quickly rolled them out, and you can hopefully see here the 5mm sprinkle and the 15mm drip. Yummy. And then I just quickly put these the different ways because some of the ads go this way and some of the ads are horizontal. You can see I have not put them in a straight line at all, but these are the different ads. So we've got soda pop, we've got the milk bar, we've got 20-cent Tuesdays, we've got free fries, we've got homemade pie and choc top. So lots of fun things to do with this washi, I think. Loving it. So that was the washi, and now let's have a look at the add-on sticker kit and add-on paper pack. First off, the add-on paper pack, and this page here, oh my goodness, I think it's my favorite. I'm just loving it. I love the menu, but this one here, the milk bar scene, absolutely love it. And on the reverse is this gorgeous pink watercolor. So we have 2 of those. Oh, loving this too. So we've got pink carnations with a yellow polka dot background. There's a little close-up of it there. And on the reverse, oh, quite a contrasting color. So that goes nicely against all of those pink carnations. And then this is the print that the acetate is with all of the music notes and the vinyls. So loving that. And then this colour is just picking up the centre of it there. So we have 2 of those. And then of course an extra page of the acetate and an extra page of the vellum. So these are the papers for the add-on paper pack for the milk bar. And now the final thing to look at are the add-on stickers for milk bar. Quite a lot of pages there, so let's just get into it. We've got Sandy and the world's biggest ice creams. I could not eat that. I do like ice cream, but I don't think I like ice cream that much. But they are fun. And then we've got our milk bar gang, a name label, and some smaller name labels. They're quite cute, and these look like the size to fit in a standard 1.5-inch planner box. A whole bunch of ice creams, cherries, pies, hot dogs. Oh, love it. The colours, I just love the colours in this kit. A gorgeous page of carnations. Oh, these are cute, like the little postage stamps. And then we've got Life is Sweet, Eat Pie, Live Happy, Shake Things Up, Be the Cherry on Top, You Want a Piece of Me, and Put Another Dime in the Jukebox, Baby. And then we've got music notes, menu pads, etc. Love that page. Nice vintage vibes from this page. Of course, I love rock and roll. And For the Record, great pun. So My Friend, What'll It Be? And some nice little corner borders here. And then full boxes and half boxes. This one's a double box, but it is cut as separate full boxes. And that's the gorgeous Milk Bar scene from the extra paper pack. And then we've got Sandy and 20-cent Tuesdays. Just love the artwork. I can see Sammy's had fun with this, but I just love it. The colours, love, love, love. Look at that booth. We've got homemade pie. Oh, these are gorgeous too. Everything's gorgeous. Loving these because they're these functional but decorative boxes that I like to use. And then a whole bunch of different words just to shake up your spreads. A page with my favourite sticky notes. We've got some little hearts, some dots, some flags, and then a whole month of date squares. And then in the colours of the kit, we've got trackers. And then these are the functional pages in each of those 4 colours that we just saw. And these have a bunch of stickers on them. So we have the weekly headers, and we have all these splashes and part boxes. Then also a whole lot of checklists and little miniature flags along here and in here. And then these circles, all colour coordinated. Sammy thinks of everything. And so then we've got the 4 different colours of the kit. And now it's going to be my favourite minis. These are the cute, cute, cute decorative minis that go along with the bigger people in the kit. And then these are the more functional minis, great for, you know, happy mail shopping, all sorts of things. And of course the cute little peeking minis. Always love the minis. I'm struggling to fit all 18 pages in frame here, but we have 18 pages in the additional sticker kit. And just with them all spread out in front of me, I'm just so loving the colours and the artwork of this kit. Absolutely love it. So this has been my unboxing of the Milk Bar kit and the add-on paper and sticker kit for Milk Bar. I hope you've enjoyed seeing all of the goodies. I've certainly enjoyed unboxing them, and I'm really looking forward to playing with them. There's a whole heap of things here, so many things, and everything wonderfully coordinates, of course. So thanks very much for watching my unboxing of Milk Bar, and maybe I'll see you in my next video. Bye!